The ProShares UltraPro Dow30 ETF (UDOW) is a leveraged exchange-traded fund (ETF) that aims to provide investors with 3 times the daily performance of the Dow Jones Industrial Average (DJIA), a popular stock market index that measures the stock performance of 30 large publicly traded companies in the United States. The UDOW ETF was launched in June 2010 and is managed by ProShares, a leading provider of ETFs that offer alternative investment strategies to investors. The fund tracks the DJIA index by investing in a variety of financial instruments such as futures contracts, options, and swap agreements that are designed to replicate the performance of the underlying index. One of the main features of the UDOW ETF is its leverage, which means that it uses borrowed money to amplify the returns of the DJIA index. This can result in higher potential gains for investors, but it also comes with increased risks, as the fund's performance can be more volatile compared to a non-leveraged ETF. Investors who are considering adding the UDOW ETF to their portfolio should be aware of the potential risks and rewards of leveraged ETFs. For example, the fund's returns may be more volatile and subject to significant losses if the DJIA index declines in value. On the other hand, if the DJIA index increases in value, the UDOW ETF may provide investors with outsized returns. In addition to the risks associated with leverage, investors should also be aware of the fees and expenses associated with the UDOW ETF. The fund charges an annual expense ratio of 0.95%, which is higher than the average expense ratio of a non-leveraged ETF. This means that investors may pay a higher price to hold the UDOW ETF compared to a similar ETF that does not use leverage. Overall, the UDOW ETF can be a suitable investment option for investors who are looking to achieve higher potential returns and are willing to accept the additional risks associated with leverage. However, investors should carefully consider their investment goals, risk tolerance, and financial situation before deciding whether the UDOW ETF is right for them. It may be helpful to consult with a financial advisor or professional to determine if the UDOW ETF is a suitable fit for your portfolio.